What's going on, y'all? Alright, I'm a little sleepy, but I'm gonna show y'all a little smoothie you can make if you don't feel like chewing and eating in the morning. And let's get rid of the obvious first. Let's talk about this up front. Now I know y'all looking at this and y'all ain't paying attention to what I'm saying. That little partying shiner right there, look, don't pay attention to that. I'm trying to tell you something that's good for you. Don't worry about that thing. Everybody gets those. Come on, don't worry about that. It's just impurities being pushed out and trying to find a place to get out of your skin. That means I'm eating right and I'm doing something right if I got some bumps popping out because they trying to get out my body. Anyway, now that that's out the way, let's go ahead and take a look at a couple things that I prepared for myself to drink. Little smoothie. Of course, I put my protein shake in it. Some bananas that's well ripe because once again, we know that the brown spots, and when they get brown, they fight off cancerous cells. Everybody has cancerous cells. It's just that you don't want to feed them. You want to fight against them. My Bejeweled dates add sweetness. They're kind of like big raisins, but not. They're sweeter than raisins and bigger. Got to have your cashews. Got to have your cashews. They're packed with iron and protein, and I like the sweet and salty taste that it adds to the shake. You got your berry medley with raspberries and blackberries and strawberries and blueberries, and then I add a couple more strawberries, and I like it for the color too. I like the bitterness of a strawberry as well. And then right here, what do we have here? The finished product. And I add a little ice and almond milk. So you can add the ice at your discretion. If you want it more watery, put more ice in it. If you want it kind of slushy, just depends on how you want it. Put more almond milk in it to make it a little bit more soupy, less to make it more thick and chunky. So if you want to chew and pretend like you're eating. Good God Almighty! I'm about to smack somebody on a Sunday morning.